Siguro yung una kong isa-suggest 'no is for you to check yung business na nagre-recruit. Like kami personally yung Quorum 'no, hindi tayo recruitment agency. So, when you say na i-check niyo siya, medyo maraming ways to check. Siguro yung ah, pinakaunang step lalo na kung work yung gagawin mo, i-check niyo yung DMW accreditation. So, yung Department of Migrant Welfare. So, ito yung dating POEA. So, kung nag-o-offer sila ng trabaho and nasa Philippines kayo, dapat registered yun yung agency or accredited yung agency and mache-check niyo naman yun sa site nila kung nag-a-appear sila dun. So, yun yung unang-una. Pero siyempre hindi naman kasi lahat ng migration